Greetings everyone. In this video you will learn how to create a custom search engine and embed it in your web quest. To begin, go to your Google page, select the apps icon, choose more, then even more, and from here you want to scroll down to specialized search and choose custom search. This shows a list of all of the search engines that I've created. So I have a few examples to show you, and let me show you what it looks like before you finish. So I'll click on this. Notice that I gave this search engine the name What is STEM. So you want to name it something relevant to what the topic is. And then the most critical aspect of this is that you choose websites that are relevant to the research you want students to do in your web quest or the learner to do. So here I have about 4, but you should probably use 10 websites. And the advantage to this is that you prevent students from going to websites that you may not want them to go to, and 2, you give them legitimate information, or you give them places to find legitimate information. So it could come from federal websites, state websites, universities, museums, or other types of organizations. And then once you have created your search engine, you will embed that search engine into your web quest. And your web quest is nothing more than a website that you shaped into a learning experience. So here we'll select Get Code. We'll copy this code, and then I'll go to my website and just show you, since we're using Wix, I'll show you how to embed it with Wix. Select here, and then Apps, and then HTML. And where it says mode, we need to change this from website address to HTML code. And then we'll paste the code here, and I'll select update. And now I can close these windows, and you'll see that we have a custom search engine. And you can move this around, you can resize it, you can place it wherever you need to place it. And let's click preview. In this preview mode, I can go ahead and click inside my search engine now and type in. And now any searches I get back should come from those websites that I put in. So there's one of them. The Wikipedia is what I had. I used Education Coalition. So it's coming from the websites that I selected. So to create your custom search engine, all you'll need to do first is to do the research on your topic and find the websites that you want to use. You come here and you select New Search Engine. And then where it says sites to search, you can type them in one by one, and then you'll be able, that's how you build your list. So like here I might type, then I go to the next one, and I keep going. You can paste these too, you don't have to type them, you can paste them one by one, and you do that until you've finished. And then the last thing you do here is give it a name. So it's going to want to, by default, take the name of the first entry you make. But I might just take this away. And then now it's the name of my search engine. Select Create. And now it's ready to go. So to get back to, let's go to Edit Search Engine. And then you can select Setup. And that's how you'll be able to get the code. You'll be able to see the websites that you place there. And you can also do some other little things, like if you want, you can change the way it looks. You can add some themes, and you can do other things here, but that'll be up to you if you want to do that. And that'll be it for creating your